morning. Today is the day. It's Saturday and it's about 3:15 in the morning. Actually, maybe it's a little bit later because I dried my hair. It is 3:30 in the morning and today is the day I'm going to go to Seattle so that I am ready to go with my parents for our Alaskan cruise tomorrow. So everything is packed up, ready to go. Just have to put some skincare on because my face is looking rough. I'm hoping that it'll like get better, but I'm not sure because I did pack a bunch of masks. So as I think I may have alluded to, I'm basically traveling every week for the next few weeks just because of work and things. So I can't get sick right now. And then I'm going to call I was gonna say a cab, but an Uber slash Lyft pretty shortly. I'm going to actually like also use, so there's the Lyft app, but then there's also this app called Curb, and I like these days to compare them because actually the Curb app actually uses just like regular yellow cab, but I'm going to see which one is a better price right now. Okay, and then sunscreen. I was trying to pack more sunscreen, but I think it's just not possible with the liquid restrictions. I don't know why I put this away, that's not enough. So I just packed what I could pack, and hopefully my parents also packed some, we'll see. Okay, so skincare is done. Going to just put on some light makeup. I also need to remember to do allergy meds. Okay, so I just took my allergy meds, so I'm not going to be wheezy on the plane. And then, let's see. Honestly, the idea of like full foundation is not it right now, so I'm going to use the Yunza as a primer foundation because it's a little bit tinted, as you may recall from previous videos. And I do like it. It's pretty nice. I think it's kind of expensive. I think it's like 40 bucks. 38 is a number that stands out to me, but I can't remember why that stands out to me. I'm going to wear this headband, I think. It's just so I have a headband. Going to use the Peri Para concealer. Wow, I look pale as heck. Okay, that was a mistake. Oh, I look bad. Okay, so learned my lesson there, so we're going to have to fix it, maybe. We'll see. Fixing it may actually just be washing my face, but I'm going to just do my eyes right now. Eyebrows are arguably my most important step, and I have no idea where my eyebrow pencil went. Did I pack it? Oh, it was standing up. Okay, here. I was just like editing a video from like February, and like I'm still working on this. I don't know. This has lasted for like 3 years, I feel like. Highlighter, hopefully, to try to fix this whiteness that I imposed upon myself. Okay, looks slightly better, hopefully. So I'm going to use eyeliner. Okay, I'm looking more alive now, so that's good. It was like looking real ghostly there for a while, so I'm going to use this. So what I've realized about the Wander Beauty mascaras is since it's kind of like in a tube, there's a lot of air in there. So I know there is like when it's like the regular hard plastic tube, but I think I've noticed when I used the last one that was in the maroon tube that if I squeezed out the air, it was easier to use. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's what I have been doing. So I think that this is going to be it. I'm going to just like tidy up slightly, just like make sure everything is ready to go, the toilet's not running, you know, all the drill, and be on my merry way to Newark Airport. So the next time you see me, I will be in the Uber, I think. I'm going to take Lyft, as you know. I don't use Uber. And then, yeah, show you it later. Ready to go, taking out my trash as well, you know the drill. Wow, it's super dark out. But the Lyft is only 2 minutes away, so going to be on time. It's very expensive. It's like $90 to $100, so I chose the cheapest option. So it's gonna be like $90, so we'll see. So empty. Not open yet. You're so early. There was no line, 0 line. Very last row. This is a long passageway. Still walking. So I'm walking from the station. It's like an uphill climb. So we shall see. My legs are a little bit short, so we'll see. Out of breath, but that's the library. I have to pump myself up for the last block. It's kind of another hill and my legs are killing me. Okay, so this is the Renaissance in downtown Seattle. I already used the restroom, so I'm going to do a quick tour. I already opened the curtain just so I didn't have to fumble around. So there is a shower with a full bathtub in here. It looks like they have Aveda products. Sorry about the bad sound quality. Toilet as usual, as you would expect. I already washed my hands and things. Sink, couple of drinking glasses, etc. Pretty basic bathroom. And then here are the closets. So this one has hanging room, plenty of suit hangers actually, an ironing board and an iron along with the dry cleaning service if you're curious. On this side is the shelving. So we're only here one night before we go on our cruise. Got some more things down here. I don't know what this is actually. Oh, shoe shine. Interesting. And then safe. Here is the coffee bar situation, so coffee maker, and here it looks to be some coffee options, tea options. What is it even called? Ice bucket. And then here are some additional services that are available. So it looks like ice is only on certain floors, including this one, so it's going to be loud, I think. Soda machines, snack and medicine, and microwave ovens are available. So down here is the mini bar with Fiji water. So I'm a Bonvoy member, so I did get some waters for free. And they gave me some extras for my parents. And then a fridge. Over here is the mirror. So we have a 2 double bed situation. Again, we're only here one night, so it was okay. If we were going to be here longer, we would probably want at least 1 queen bed. Got a little concierge area here. I actually don't know what it's called. Basically, you just like put your stuff on it. Some more drawers here, not very much storage actually. Got the TV situation here with a mobile remote. Pretty big desk area actually, so I think this would be great for a business hotel. This looks like trash liners. So these are the outlets. So it looks like 3 standard outlets and 2 USBs. Got the phone, got a pretty good lamp. So I have this type of lamp in my apartment. I don't know how to work that one, but it's a pretty good lamp. So I think I chose the, I can't remember, City View. But it looks like we have a view of the public library, which is pretty nice. It's pretty cool architectural details over there. And then some offices over here, so there are people. And then here is like a chair with an ottoman and a floor lamp. So it's a pretty big hotel actually, especially for just one night. But that's it. I think I paid around 300 something for it, which is pretty good because Seattle has resort fees and something like that. So this is it. I realize now that I forgot to show the nightstand situation as I was looking for this lamp. So I did check in early. Check-in time is technically 3 p.m., but they had the room available. So it looks like they have some things about what was sanitized, some more outlets here, so 3 more standard and 2 more USB. And then not a drawer here, but a shelf. And then here's a drawer with your typical Mormon literature and Christian literature. And that is disgusting, but that is gum, but I will take care of it. But you, Okay, so I'm trying to fix my makeup a little bit because I got a little bit, I also like didn't wear foundation today, and masking and sweating, carrying my stuff up the hill was a little bit struggle. So I'm going to definitely regret this. So I brought this Brow Bestie from LA Girl that I got for free from CVS with my coupon, but this is like so scratchy. It's not even having any color. So let me try to set this down to see if I can even get anything written on my hand. Okay. Sorry, you're on my phone and there's no, okay. Well, I'm just going to say that that's good. Okay, so it's just very light. So I mean, I'm going to have to figure it out. So I got it also in the color chestnut, so maybe it's a little bit too light for my brown eyebrows, but yeah, so we'll see. It does have a spoolie, which is why I packed it. In retrospect, I should have also packed my one that was in my work bag that I bought at Dwayne Reed the other day, but I was forgetting, running into the office, and I forgot to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to just try to fix this up, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, so as an update, it was bothering me. So back there in that office building, it's actually Ernst & Young, so EY, which is one of the top big four accounting firms. There's also a couple of headquarters of some like e-commerce tools, so like Stripe, and then also Booking.com is over there. So that's what's in that building. So luckily we are here on the weekend, so we don't have to worry about people seeing into our hotel room, because they could definitely see in. There are some people over there working, so I guess it's the EY folks getting some work done over the weekend. My parents are on the way from the airport. I did text them earlier and I was like, hey, take the train. It's only $3, such a great deal. But then I texted them after I got off the train and walked here, and I was like, update, do not take the train. It's like quite a hike up the hill. So they will be taking an Uber. I also am planning some lunch with them when they get here, so they should be here momentarily, I believe. My friend that I was going to meet this afternoon had something happen, so they're no longer able to meet today. So we made tentative plans for next week when we get back on Sunday to hang out in the afternoon and maybe grab some dinner. I am going to meet my two other friends this evening for dinner, and my parents will go out to eat by themselves, which is probably good. We have plenty of dinners together on the ship, but also it is their anniversary yesterday, so maybe they'll find something festive and, you know, celebratory to have in Seattle. I almost said Alaska. And then what else is going on? So it is like about 1 p.m. It feels a lot later to me because I've already been up like 10 hours. No, 12 hours. So I woke up at 3 a.m. Eastern time. So it's 1 p.m. Seattle time, which means that it is 4 p.m. Yeah, I've been up 13 hours, so yeah, I'm a little bit dragging. So yeah, that's the update for now, and I'll take you along with me when we go out and explore a little bit in Seattle. I'm not sure how much is open actually, so we might end up at like very touristy spots or maybe Chinatown. We'll figure it out. I think my friends and I are going to eat Asian food for dinner, so maybe, I don't know, I was scoping out this place that like only sells chowder, so that sounds pretty good to me, but you know, I'm a soup person. Plus, when you're in the Northwest, you may as well eat as much chowder as possible. They have like a either you can't choose and have a choose 4. It's either 3 or 4 or a choose 8 sampler, and that seems right up my speed. So anyway, waiting for my parents, so I'll talk to you later. My parents checked their bags, even though they said they weren't going to, so waiting a very long time, I think. So I'm actually going to probably go to the drugstore next door. I think it's like Bartel drugstore, to pick up some contact solution and some bug spray. Very worried about the mosquito situation. And then I also only packed a small partial bottle of contact solution just in case I had an emergency on the plane, because yeah, a week is not enough in that small little bottle. Anyway, so I have to go to pick that up at least and then see what else. Bar. Nice. They're reserved. Venturing out to find lunch. Going down the hill this time. I don't know if this is coming off how steep this is, but I dragged my suitcase up this steep hill. oddly specific. Going out to meet my friend. Going to meet them at the Nordstrom in downtown. That's kind of cool. I made it till 9 o'clock. We finished the food at the Japanese restaurant. It was medium, and then came back here. So when you see me tomorrow, it'll be the first day of the cruise. So that will be in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.